Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we've got this gorgeous new construction by Nadu Construction. Come on, we gotta check this out. What's really special about Nadu Construction is all the little fine touches. You've got a tray ceiling in the living space, and here as you enter the dining and kitchen, you've got a shiplap wall that's been modernized. Look how expansive this island is, with again the detail of shiplap, so that it's just a beautiful little touch and not too overwhelming. The hood matches the accent walls. There is no stone left unturned in their construction homes. So in talking about these details, the doors are 8 foot. Right now we're in the huge main ensuite, which is on the bottom level. You've got 3 more bedrooms upstairs with a wonderful landing and another bathroom. And again, no details left unturned. You've got a tray ceiling in here, but this main ensuite is divine. The cabinet work in here gives you your 2 solid spaces. Your fixtures are on point. Your mirrors are beautiful, and a huge 2-person shower, one of my favorites. Normally, we don't talk about the closets, but I want you to notice that they've even upgraded the shelving systems in there. And again, no detail left unturned. So Sanctuary Beach is a beautiful, newer development neighborhood. It's right near Bay Point, right off of Thomas Drive. It's perfectly located right near Winn-Dixie and Publix. You can shoot right down to Captain Anderson's, hop on a boat in the lagoon, and get right out to the Gulf. This development is so quiet and pristine, and it's exactly what its name sounds like, a sanctuary. So if you'd like more information, look in the description below, check out the listing link for this new construction by Nadu Construction, and get all the fine details of price, more information on room sizes, all the facts that you need. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any future beautiful deals like this one.